Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video we solved LeetCode search for rotated, search in rotated sorted array. Okay, today we're going to go through our code and visualize what's actually going on in this solution that passed. Okay, so first, this is the exact same code. Okay, I just created a driver code for him so I can call the function. So boom, so let's step through this code and see what's actually going on. Okay, so we initialize our array, our function, and we go ahead and call our function. Okay, I'm passing nums, so nums is pointing to the same address in memory because it's the same. So as always, we're going to initialize that L and R. Okay, so L should be 0 and R should be 6, which is the length of the array. There's 7 elements in this array minus 1. Okay, then we step into the while loop, calculate our mid, which is just 6 plus 0 divided by 2, which is 3, which is 7. Is our mid guy. Okay, so the first statement says if target equals nums of mid. Okay, nums of mid is 7 because mid is 3 and target is 0, so they're not equal. So we're going to skip through this if statement right here. We're not going to go to it. Okay, and next says if the leftmost guy, okay, is less than nums of mid. Okay, nums of mid is 7, the leftmost guy is less than 7, 4 is less than 7. So we're going to go into this first block right here. Okay, so now we're in here. So now the if statement says if target, okay, is greater than nums of mid. Target is 0, target is not greater than nums of mid, so this part is wrong. Now let's go here. It's false. Actually, it's not wrong, it's false. Or if target is less than nums of L. Okay, in this case target is less than nums of L. Nums of L is 4, target is 0. Okay, so in this case we don't care about the left. Okay, our mid is 7. This is our mid point. In this case we know we don't have to search here, so all we have to do is move our L pointer to 4, so which is what we're going to do, it to mid plus 1. So in the next line you should see that L should change to 4. Bam, L is 4. Okay, now we're back at the top of the while loop. Okay, now we're going to calculate our mid again, which is now mid is going to be between 6 plus 4, which is 10 divided by 2. So our mid at this point should be 5. Our mid index should be 5 elements. Nums of mid should be 1. So let's see that happen. Okay, mid has just been updated to 5. Okay, so next, is nums of mid equal our target? No, nums of 5 is 1. Our target is 0, so it's not equal. So we're going to skip right through this if statement. Okay, so next, nums of L. Now keep in mind our L is 4. Okay, 0. Is 0 less than or equal to nums of mid? Yes, 0 is less than nums of mid. Yeah, our mid is 1. Okay, our mid is 1. Yeah, 5. 0 is less than 1, so this is going to go in this if block right here. Okay, next, is target 0? Is target greater than nums of mid? No, nums of mid is 1, target is 0. This is false. Let's check the other guy. Is target less than the leftmost guy? In this case, our leftmost guy is 0, target is equal to our leftmost guy. He's not less than. Okay, so both of these are false. Okay, so we're gonna skip through this guy and go to the else block. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and we're gonna increment right to mid minus 1. So our mid is 5, our right is gonna become 5 minus 1, which is 4. So let's work that happen. Bam. So now L on right, L and R are both pointing to 0. Okay, while L is less than or equal to R. So since they're equal, this while loop will go on one more time. Okay, we're gonna calculate our mid. Our mid is gonna be 4 plus 4 divided by 2, which is just 4. So we should see our mid update to 4 in the next 2 clicks. Bam, mid is 4. L, R, mid and I equal. So now we're only looking at index 4. Okay, so now is target equal nums of mid? Nums of mid is 4. Target is equal to nums of mid. Okay, because nums of mid is 4, our target is 0. So in this case we're gonna return 0 and we should be done. Bam, return our index, which is 4. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope it was helpful in teaching you guys how this works, and I'll see you guys in the next one.